Shallow on the gate, okay? Shallow on the gate. Hold. Stay away. If you're not, if you're not, yeah, hold, come back. Get ready for the real engage. Get ready for the real engage, okay? Okay? Ready, defensive style, defensive. Now, shallow on the gate. 3, 2, 1, everything on me, everything on me, everything on me, everything on me, everything on me. Nice. You
Nice
kill
one.
Nice, we kill one hit. Bonk,
Oh, wow.
Dalawa ata.
keep bonking. Guys, be ready for engage. Hold. Go back. If you don't have any defensives, go back. If you don't have any defensives, go back. If you don't have any defensives, let the tanks. Yeah. I'll pull the guards. Just wait. Hold. Everyone fucking hold. Do not go in. I'm pulling the guards. We play it slow, boys. Kill the guards. Choose and establish the guards if you're in. If you have defensives, okay? Just play it slow. Wait for the engage. We play counter, okay? Keep killing the guards. Just hold. Okay? Just be careful, boys. Be careful. Yeah, just hold here. Okay? Hold. Come back a bit. I'll do shallow engage, okay? Okay, on shallow. In 3, 2, 1, on me. On this guy. Come back. Everyone come back. Ditang stop them. Nice. Be ready for the engage. They're engaging soon. On Equi. Guys. Heal Equi. Putang, bobo mo. Bobo mo. Guys, ready southeast. We can push. Guys, be ready. Southwest. 5. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Come back, boys. Come back. Ditang try to stop their DPS. Get out. Everyone get out. Good. You're good. Wait for the engage. We play counter. Okay? Hold.
Pahil ako, pahil.
Hold. Yeah, just come back. Defensives. Nice. You push. Everyone push.
Highlight ko siya.
And push them. Yeah, I know. Keep pushing them. Guys, keep pushing them.
Baka kanyang defense mo, wala ka pang defense.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, I know. Push. Just push. Ready, northwest, guys. Northwest. 5, 4, 3, go. Everything on the ground. Guys, drop damage. Now spread and heals. Be ready for defensives. Defensive. Nice, GA. Now you push. Everyone push. Push and roll, boys. Push and roll. Cool downs, guys. Ready, southeast. Hold.
Ready.
Yeah, I'll fake. Guys, ready, southwest, Southwest, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, everything on me. Come back. Yeah, kill that guy. Please kill that guy. Nice. Bonk. Keep bonking. Curseful die.
Yes, left first.
Yeah. Defensive. Nice. Keep bonking. Heals on the front. Okay, just hold here. Bong the other gate. Come to the other gate. Guys, come to the other gate.
Basagin niyo muna lahat.
Yeah. I know. Listen. Just listen to me. Listen to me. Guys. Yeah. Chill. I need heals, please. Heals on me. Guys, defensive. Guys, no, that's a fake. They still have an engage, ha? Be careful. Stay away from walls. Okay? Guys, southeast in 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Come back. They have engage. Be ready for defensives. Okay? Come back. Come southwest. I'll pull his guards. Kill his guards first. Kill his guards first.
Para pa sila
Pull his guards. Yeah. Kill his guards first. Q's and W's on his guards. Yeah. The tanks, watch them, ha? Okay? Keep bonking if you can. Okay? Hold. Guys, heals on Olympus. What the fuck? Okay. Hold. Yeah, hold it. Just hold. Keep bonking. Heals on Olympus, bro. Ready? Counter. No, hold. Guys, hold. Heals muna. Heals. Yeah. I'll fake. This is a fake, guys. This is fake. Guys, hold. Come. Kill the guards first. Come back a bit. Get heals. Come back a bit. Watch their engage, guys. Heals. Get heals. I need heals on the front. Guys, ready defenses, guys. Kill the guards. Keep killing the guards. Yeah, just keep killing the guards. Please. Keep killing the guards. Guys, use an ability on the guards. Okay? Okay, hold. I know. Be ready for defenses, okay? Just hold, just hold, just hold. Hold this position first. Hold this position. Guys, on this root bound. Yeah, hold. Do not go in yet. Do not go in yet. I'll do shallow and you go back, ha? Okay? Hold. Guys, northwest. You see that asking? Guys, you see that guy? Northwest now. Hold. Come back. Sorry. Defensive. guys. Hold. 10 seconds. Just hold this for a bit. Hold this for a bit. Palong, saan ka na? Asan ka na, Palong?
Nasa crossing na. Ay, pat.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
just hold here, guys. Just hold here. Guys, shallow.
Kidnapping.
This is a fake. Come back. Right. They may push. Defenses. Now push. Heals. Guys, southwest, guys. Ready, southwest. Guys, on top of me, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Come back. Get heals muna. Come back, get heals. First, get heals. Heals on everyone first. Come back out. Get out first. Get out. Get out, get heals first. Get out muna. Get out. Nice. You guys have engaged. Defenses. Heals. Southeast, guys. This is a fake. I'll fake first. Guys, be ready. Guys, be ready. Guys, ready. Southwest, guys. On the GA now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Everything on me. Nice. Come back, boys. The killers. Come back. Don't overpush. Asan ka na pa lang? Hold here.
Dito na.
Hold here. We wait for our D-tank.
Light na lang yung healer nila.
Yeah. Hold here. Come in. Spread. Nah. Hold. Wait.
Yung guard.
Come northeast. Yeah, papul yung guard dito. Hold lang. Stay northeast of me, okay? Pull the guards, bro. Okay, come northwest. We change position. Nasa northwest yung bukas na gate, Palong. Come northwest. Come. Follow me northwest. We kill the guards. 2 minutes, guys. Come. Pull the guards here. Yeah. Just Q's and W's on these guards. Heals on me. Q's and W's on these guards. Heals on me. Okay, dodge, boys, dodge. Please dodge. Okay, you chill. Palong, put the pause in. Guys, be ready. Okay? It's okay. Come. Now you come in slowly. Come in slowly. Guys, come in slowly. Hold. Hold this. No, YGA early. Come back a bit. Shallow, guys. We do shallow. Shallow now. Shallow. In 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Come back. Come back. Ready for defensives, guys. Ready for defensives. Come back a bit. After they engage, guys, we push. Okay? Come, kill these guards. Kill a guard, bro. Okay. Last
Agree
year.
sa kanila.
Push. Come. Guys. Southeast, guys. Southeast. Push a bit. Come back. Defenses now. Ready northeast. North. In 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Nice. Now you spread. Everyone spread. Spread and roll. Get heals. Spread, get heals.
They running.
Don't let them escape, boys. Kill this. Okay.
Wag na kayong mag-zone ha. Equinox.
Yeah.
Nako, dito na.
Ako na zone ako. Ako na
Sabi
zone.
ko, wag na mag-zone.
Yeah, just kill this guy.
Utang bumano yung ikaw.
Mamatay ka dyan. Equinox.
Like, wait, sa amin kung kailangan mo. X-Bang Court,
Ano?
doon na.
Dikit ka sa gate. Pahili ka.
Wala silang
Ay, ikaw sa gate, asan ka?
Sa Equi? Saan ka ba?
Nasa labas siya.
Kill guards out. May guard pa
Try
ata.
ko
Ito yung guard po, nasa harap lang pala natin eh. Drop isa na guard.
Okay lang.
Pati sa Equi.
Sabi ko, wag ka mag-zone.
Kill the Lord.
Mag-out na rin ako.
Everyone kill the Lord. Good shit. Kill the Lord.
Naiirita sa lang. Tarik sila ipapakita.
Good shit, guys. Good job. It's only Curseful who died. What you doing, Curseful?
Equi.
He died? No? Are you stupid, bro? Huh? He died?
Lumabas ng gate. Dalawang gate lumabas niya.
Sabi ko, wag lumabas. Kilik.
Kaya pala nag-live party.
Oh,
Para di makita.
Aggressive. It's okay, guys. GG's, guys. Good job. Good job, guys. Good fucking job, guys.
Ang malis na si Ikoy.
Ha?
Wala na niya sa comms.
Gago boy si Ethan, no?
Good job.
Uy, ganda yung build niya, no? Survivor.
May damage
Easy.
yung barrel kesa sila eh.
Okay.
Oo, yung barrel talaga, ano eh.
Lutak. GG's, guys. Matak
Dapat yung open, maganda yung kamay ko. Uy, alis na yung hindi officer.
Touch lang.
Parin kayong magaan.
Sige na. I will help na.
Okay.
How much was it, guys?
Tara, uwi na tayo. Panalo.
Call curse full.
Screenshot mo.
Mercy, bro. It's okay, bro. He is solo demon, bro.
Good job.
It's okay.
Let's go. Take the win.
Tara,
Ano,
River Cops
Easy.
crossing tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Unlock yung chest dun. Wala pa yung kumuha.
Yeah, let's check it.
meron pa sa ano, Blue Outpost. Sana
Take
makaabot
the
tayo.
win and go home.
Yeah, it's a good job, guys. Guys, we need more, for demon armors, you guys need to drop it early. And guys,
Ang
don't
ganda ng,
chase enemies, ha?
Ang ganda ng bait ng spawn mo doon.
Yun na GG.
Hindi, yung doon sa may sa may gate sa north.
Sa choke.
Kaya nga.
Yung parang fake paghatak mo nag-root bond siya.
Lagi yung hats mo, tapos nag-root dodge.
Mag-arba ka lang. Ano?
No, don't. We might get another.
Skill ka lang dyan, naiwan ka na.
Still, good job, guys. We could do better. Yeah. Curseful didn't make a mistake. The issue with Curseful is that no one else used demon armor aside from him.
Wala pa ako eh. Layo ko.
He got solo demon, bro. That's the
Oo,
issue,
solo
guys.
demon siya.
Dalawa sila ni Echoy Demon Armor.
Kaya na yung kay Echo, nakakatawa, magtik siya mamatay dun. Yung makasok siya sa gate mag-isa. Tapos, calm artist, guys. Calm artist here. We just need to do better on demon armors. Click it early. Because if shit happen like that. Also, Kuro, better that protection of nature is only for one person. Go breeze or cleanse. Even cleanse is better.
Breeze na lang.
Yeah, just go breeze if you're bled. Because you were only healing one person. The sustains weren't enough during the against
Wala tayong low.
what you call this, the barrels. It's the barrels that hurt, bro. That's why we need to. Still, good job. Lucky we.
Barrels, not like that.
Second din ata. Nag-solo demon si Ekwi.
Ano to? Open pa to?
Yeah, may chest pa.
Wait, let's take this. Let's take this out.
Ito yung
Here.
blue outpost.
Crossing, guys. Crossing.
Open na sa minimum.
Hindi, kaya nga. May kasi timer na eh. Pero nakuha niyo ba? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa, wala pa. Unlock lang.
Yeah, just come here.
Tulog yung tao dito.
Kanina, gago, lumabas sila 20. Patay kami. It's okay, guys. I'm gonna kill these guys. 3, 2, 1. Ano ko? Sino ko nila? Hindi ko napansin.
Yung golem na naka-blink.
Naalala ko lang si Asking kasi ang ingay nun sa Facebook, di ba? Di ba? Yun yung maingay sa Facebook eh.
Wala. Manalo ng konti, ipapusa agad yung battle boards.
Yeah, we need to regear Curseful. Can you tell Curseful? We regear.
I have all the loot from Curseful.
Ooh.
So walang basag. So bigay ko na lang.
Just give it to him.
No, we give it to him. Just
Hindi, let's split natin.
No.
Sayang yung weapon,
Ang color nila, pangalan Balon.
Balon. Puta, Pilipino.
Balon, yugto.
Oh my god, that's good. At least we got a fight with same number.
May kalaban ah.
Ha?
Disband.
Meron?
This ban. Uy,
D7.
Madidisband. Ay,
Kill this killer.
haters lang.
Hindi
Pero
actually-
ano
Nandito
sila?
na sila.
T7.
Guys, be careful. Keep Q's and W's on alert. Q's and W's on alert. Dita, please keep scouting them. Drop is now in 3, 2, 1. Drop, please. Drop is fast. Drop is fast. Where are they? I need the fuck.
Nasa east side.
Mounted
All-
din.
Mounted pa.
Just hold here.
They're north.
All,
Yeah. We can fight them.
may perma.
Pero ano lang sila. Tier 7 gears lang.
Yeah, T7 na lang sila.
Maatras sila. Ay, hindi.
Hold. Maybe they wanna
Yeah.
fight.
Tier 7 lang sila, tier 7.
Do you want? Do you want to watch?
Top lagay.
Ask them if they want.
Di ata sila lalaban.
One guy, Olympus, asan ka na? Gago ka.
Leave the chest, guys. Leave the chest. Let me look.
Corleo, wag. Don't let Corleo open.
Bakit? Ako na.
It's shit.
Grabe naman. Give me
Ay.
a chance.
Are they-
Boom, puta 3M.
Then 6M. Oh, di ba?
3M lang.
Guys,
Uy, tayo na.
Guys, on me in 3, 2, 1. Guys, ay come back.
Ay, ano ba?
Combat sila.
Ay, ito dismounted pa pala gata.
Yeah, we fight. All this.
Hindi ko makuha lahat, Koryo.
Yeah, it's
Dismounted
fine.
ka laban ah.
Guys. Oh, parang ang dami.
Sige, mamaya na yan.
Hold
Ay,
this.
ba?
Hold this. Level 5 ba?
Level
Guys,
5 DA.
Wow.
Hold.
Lalaban tayo.
Yeah, we fight this. Why not? Takot ba kayo?
A7 na yan.
Ano? We can run.
GG.
I can run.
This is fine.
If you want.
Palag yan. Palag.
Ay,
Ikaw.
Huwag kayo mag-clump.
Ano nila?
Hold. Just hold.
Fingers,
Just hold.
Check mo natin DPS nila.
Just hold. Yeah. Okay? We need to kite southwest as soon as we engage, okay?
Club roll.
Okay? Yeah.
Ano,
I'm okay.
Fake.
That's a fake. It's an obvious fake. He will engage on the pool. Be ready, yeah? He will engage on the pool. Just be ready, boys. Just be ready. Okay? We'll play counter. Okay? Hold this. Just hold this. We will pull them on the joke and engage them. Okay? Just hold this. I'm good, boys. Ready. I'm good. Come back a bit. Come inside. Just stay here. Guys, ready? Shallow. If I pull anyone na. Shallow, guys, on the collar, southwest. Southeast, hold. Yeah, it's fine. You're good. Defensives. Push. Nice. Ready. Guys. East. On downstairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Kill this guys. Nice. Come back, boys. Come back. They have engaged soon.
Pasok.
Just come back. Defensives. Be ready. Spread. Stay here. Stay here, spread. We have engaged. Guys, defensives. Guys, push east. East. Be ready, boys. East now. Guys, southeast in 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on me. Come back. Ang dami. Southeast. Stay southwest. Go southwest. We kill someone. Get heals. Go southwest. Get out southwest, boys. Get out southwest. Go northwest. Keep going northwest. Dami. Out.
Dami.
Too many. Get out,
Out
boys.
na?
Yeah. Get out. Ditang start to stop them. Get out, boys. Get out.
Ayun ako.
Keep going. Ethan died.
Sorry, may lot ako.
Get out. It's fine. Don't worry. Just get out. Full get out. Ang dami.
Dami. May disarray ba? Tinanda natin.
Level 8. It's okay, guys. I'll gear those. I'll gear everyone who died. Don't worry. Just go home.
Hey, I'm alive.
Sino boy?
Yeah. It's okay, guys. We gear everyone who died, ha? Kamalito Island, guys.
7 alive.
Ang dami na.
Just Kamalito Island.
Expected na yun ata, no? Basta arch.
Napakadaming longbow. Putang inilan yun. Pitong longbow. Is na yan.
Guys, come to Island. I'll gear you, guys.
Hindi po, papunta na ako.
Saan? Puta, umuwi na. Patay na kami.
Yun ah. Ang pinal mo kasi Axios.
Guys, okay. We got to loot split. We'll gear everyone and then loot split. Don't worry. Everyone who died, come Island, guys.
Kinuha
I
ko
just-
yung Tundra po eh.
Okay. Kamal dito.
Ako nga sa Silvers pa lang, no?
Ako, 180.
Eh, sige, kamal dito island guys, kamal dito island. It's okay, we fight. Ang gamit mo, Nikolay? Spirit Hunter. May Spirit Hunter akong extra dito. Gago, ang dami. Gago, sunod-sunod yung ano, yung longbow tsaka perma.
Hindi ako makapasok tayo.
Hindi nag-club eh, puta na. Consecutive yung club.
Trade me. Next trade me. Everyone who died, guys. Arbak na yung iba. Everyone who died, come to me, guys. Come to island. I'll regale you guys. And then we'll split later. We'll ping for the split. How much was the castle, by the way?
Wait lang, wait lang. Ay, di ko na screenshot.
Pero sige, okay naman.
Ayun ano, sa castle.
Oo.
You want extra?
11 ata yun eh.
Na kung ako yun, 16 dapat yun.
Hello, low green talaga yun.
Yeah, green yan. Guys, Avianos, trade me. This is as much as I can regale. 1.3 M, guys. Anyone wants a Rift Blade?
Regear tapos split pa, ano? Di ko,
Hindi, ako na yung sa Regear. Peracos. Like 1.3 M each for everyone.
i-split pa.
Oh, split pa. Oo. Yung split, wala na dyan. Iba pa yung split, kumbaga.
Meron din sila dito, outpost.
Inda.
Ang dami,